Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your JIS News for December 19. Cabinet has approved the second tranche of relief checks for distribution to victims of Hurricane Sandy. Labor and Social Security Minister Derek Kelly says $230 million has already been disbursed to persons whose homes received minor to severe damage during the storm.
For those persons who are still anxious, waiting and hoping that the government has not forgotten you, we will be coming to you before the end of the year.
Minister Kelly was speaking Tuesday during a Hurricane Sandy review and verification tour in St. Thomas, Portland and St. Mary. One of the recipients said she was grateful for the help and advised other beneficiaries to prioritize their needs when spending the money.
It's not easy to come, so once you get it, use it wisely.
In the meantime, the state minister in charge of the recovery and relief efforts, Luther Buchanan, says the rebuilding of houses destroyed during the storm is moving at pace and within the expected time frame.
Our commitment is to do 200 to 250 by the end of December, and we seem so far to be on target.
Petrojam Ethanol Limited (PEL) will resume the manufacturing of ethanol for export to the United States come January 2013. The ethanol plant was closed in 2009. Energy Minister Philip Powell says the upgrading and expansion of the PEL is critical to solving the country's energy problem.
It was strategic that the government own the sector of the economy. And so help me, we are going to continue to own it and to ensure that the value that is added in this way will continue to abide and to benefit the public, the Jamaican people who we serve.
The Energy Minister also revealed that in 2013, the Energy Council will invite public participation in the Energy Conservation Dialogue.
So that any Jamaican who wishes to advance an idea, who wants to participate in our forum, will be given that opportunity. This is a part of opening up to greater consultation, this process that we believe must engage the entire country.
Government has successfully implemented a number of measures to deal with children who have come in conflict with the law. Youth and Culture Minister Lisa Hanna says the Child Development Agency CDA has been working with the Correctional Services Department to remove children from adult remand centers. Speaking at a press briefing Tuesday, Minister Hanna revealed that in August there were 36 such children in 4 juvenile remand and correctional centers.
We now have been able to reduce this number from 36 to 4 children. The 4 are there because they have been remanded to the facilities by court orders. We have also met with the Chief Justice in an effort to work with judges and other officers of the court to impress upon them the importance of issuing non-custodial orders for children in need of care and protection, as well as for juvenile offenders.
She says the advisory board of the CDA is also working on a process audit to identify the administrative issues affecting the state's ability to secure the well-being of children in need of care and protection. The Tourism Enhancement Fund TEF is providing more than $4.6 million to upgrade tourism-related facilities in Portland. It supports the Tourism Ministry's drive to see Port Antonio reassert its status as a major resort town. Tourism Minister Dr. Wicca McNeil presented $4.4 million of the total to Portland's mayor recently. President of the Rio Grande Raft Captains Leroy Miller was also presented with a $231,000 check. Minister McNeil says that donation was important to help maintain the standard of rafting in the parish, which he says is an iconic part of Portland's tourism offerings. The donations fulfill a commitment made by the minister in October to help renovate key tourism facilities in the parish. And finally, the Christmas spirit was high at the Mount Olivet Home for Boys in Walderston, Manchester on the weekend. Gifts poured into the home from the Jamaica Information Service and Johan Blake's Why Be Afraid Foundation. These included food, toys, toiletries, clothing, towels, blankets, and a full suite of electronic gaming pieces to furnish a games room.
We are very conscious of what is happening to our boys in society, and we wanted to make a difference. We wanted to impact the lives of boys, even one, in a positive manner.
You probably look and say, oh, I'm in a home and, no one really cares. People do care. That's why I come on board, because I know what it's feel like. for me, it's not really about all the monies or all the fame, but it's just for helping people.
The home was also presented with seedlings to establish a vegetable plot that will help to reduce the monthly grocery bill. Donation was made possible through the charitable efforts of partners including RADA, Lasca Food Distributors, Continental Baking Company Limited, AV Mart, Jamaica Broilers, Wisinka, and the Sandals Foundation. And that's it for JIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.